So what's really fueling this price movement? While technical patterns offer clues, a deeper analysis shows a direct correlation with Bitcoin. The overall crypto market follows Bitcoin's lead, and right now, Bitcoin is on fire. Just days ago, Bitcoin looked like it was in trouble, dipping below key support levels. But today, it has rebounded sharply, reclaiming lost ground and soaring higher. Whenever Bitcoin makes a strong move, it sends shockwaves across the entire market, including Shiba Inu. Adding to the excitement, BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, just made a game-changing announcement regarding Bitcoin. The firm confirmed that it has integrated its Bitcoin ETF into key investment models. Why does this matter? BlackRock controls trillions of dollars in assets. When they allocate even a small portion to Bitcoin, it's a powerful endorsement. It signals that they view Bitcoin as a legitimate asset worth holding for the long term. With Bitcoin pumping and institutions getting heavily involved, the ripple effect is boosting confidence across the entire crypto space, including Shiba Inu. However, here's where things get even more interesting. While BlackRock has been buying Bitcoin, reports indicate that it has also sold over $1 billion worth of Bitcoin recently. This raises questions. Are they simply taking profits, or do they know something the rest of the market doesn't? When a financial giant like BlackRock moves billions of dollars, it's never random. There's always a strategy behind it. Some analysts believe BlackRock is merely capitalizing on Bitcoin's recent surge before making an even bigger play later. Others speculate that they are preparing for potential short-term volatility. Either way, their actions are influencing the market and creating opportunities for alternative assets, including Shiba Inu. If Bitcoin remains strong and institutions continue pouring money into crypto, Shiba Inu stands to benefit significantly. But here's the most exciting possibility of all. Shiba Inu might be on the verge of getting its own ETF. That's right. The idea of a Shiba Inu exchange-traded fund is gaining traction. A well-known figure in the Shiba Inu community, Lucy, recently sparked conversation on social media by simply asking, "When SHIB ETF?" That simple question was enough to ignite speculation, and now the idea is being taken seriously. While there is no official filing for a Shiba Inu ETF yet, things are aligning in its favor. The SEC recently confirmed that meme coins do not fall under securities laws, removing one major regulatory hurdle. Additionally, Grayscale, a leading digital asset manager, is moving forward with a dogecoin ETF. If dogecoin gets the green light, many believe Shiba Inu will be next in line. If Shiba Inu secures its own ETF, the impact could be monumental. This wouldn't be just another price pump. It could trigger a massive bull run, potentially pushing Shiba Inu past its all-time highs. An ETF would open the doors for institutional investors, hedge funds, and serious capital to flow into Shiba Inu without the complexities of buying and storing it directly. That kind of demand could send the price skyrocketing, creating life-changing opportunities for current holders. Imagine the surge in excitement, the flood of new investors, and the intense buying pressure. We could witness the rise of new Shiba Inu millionaires overnight. With all of this happening, the message is clear. Now is the time to stay focused and keep believing in the journey. As Lucy, Shiba Inu's lead marketer, recently tweeted, "A few steps back only set the stage for hundreds forward." That's exactly the mindset needed: persistence, patience, and unwavering confidence. Shiba Inu's story is far from over. In fact, it's only just beginning. What's your take on all of this? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date on everything Shiba Inu, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Missing a crucial update could mean missing out on big opportunities. Also, spread the word. Share this video so more people can join the discussion. The future of Shiba Inu is unfolding right before our eyes, and you won't want to miss what happens next. Today marks a significant moment for the Shiba Inu community. After what seemed like an endless downward trend, Shiba Inu has finally turned the tide and is showing signs of recovery. The price isn't just stabilizing, it's actually beginning to climb. Investors and supporters are celebrating this positive shift, and there's an exciting twist. BlackRock just made a major announcement that could potentially impact Shiba Inu in a huge way. What exactly is happening? Let's dive in and break it all down. For the past several weeks, Shiba Inu appeared stuck in a never-ending cycle of decline, with the price tipping lower each day. Investors were frustrated and uncertainty loomed large. Many questioned whether the token would ever regain momentum. But now something has changed. Over the last 2 days, the price has stopped its decline and is instead starting to inch upwards. It may not be a massive surge just yet, but in the crypto world, when a coin stops falling and begins to hold steady, it often signals a major shift in market sentiment. The fear and doubt that clouded the market are starting to fade. Investors who had been hesitant are regaining confidence, stepping back in as they see the volatility settling. And when we zoom out and analyze the bigger picture, things become even more intriguing. Looking at the past week, Shiba Inu is displaying newfound stability, something that hasn't been seen in quite some time. Stability in the crypto market isn't just about holding a price level. It provides a foundation for future growth. When a token's value stops swinging wildly, it reassures investors and encourages renewed buying activity. The shift is more than just numbers on a chart. It's a psychological boost for the entire Shiba Inu community. Seeing the price resist further declines and even begin to rise fuels optimism. It suggests that selling pressure may finally be easing, making room for buyers to take control. While crypto markets are unpredictable, the current trend points towards strength rather than weakness. The next few days will be critical in determining whether this stability is temporary or the start of a longer-term uptrend. But for now, one thing is certain. Shiba Inu holders finally have a reason to be hopeful again. But this is not just a random pump. It's part of a bigger picture. According to crypto analyst Jovan Marks, Shiba Inu is following a breakout pattern that has been in motion since early 2023. Back then, Shiba Inu broke free from a persistent downtrend, retested the level, and held strong instead of collapsing again. That moment marked a turning point. Buyers stepped in, and the heavy selling pressure that had kept the token suppressed began to fade. Marks also identified a key technical indicator, a hidden bullish divergence. This pattern is often a precursor to a major upward move before it even becomes obvious to the broader market. Based on this setup, he predicts a potential price surge of over 4 times the current value. If his analysis holds, this isn't just a small recovery. It could be the start of something much bigger. He remains confident that Shiba Inu's long-term trend is still intact and that the token has significant growth potential well into 2025.